this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you for a minute. First, I want to say thank you truly to everyone who stuck around even though I've been pretty absent. I appreciate you more than you know. This year, I was really hoping to do Craftmas. I had so many ideas and plans, and I was excited to dive into making and sharing all sorts of projects with you. But life had other plans. As some of you know, or maybe you don't, my husband has been dealing with cancer, and things have been really hard. And honestly, it took the wind out of me. I haven't had the time, the energy, or even the mental space to create the way I wanted. And I don't want to force myself to push through something when my heart and mind just aren't there. Right now, my priority has to be my husband and my family. So I wanted to update you and let you know that I'm still here. I haven't disappeared. I haven't forgotten about this channel or about Crafty Decoria and Craftmas. I still wish I could make amazing DIYs for you every single day, but that's just not realistic for me in this season of life. What I can do, I will do. It might only be one Craftmas video or a few, or maybe just some really simple craft with me style projects when I'm able to sit down and record. I don't want to commit to something I might not be able to keep up with, and I don't want to add more stress on top of what I'm already carrying. If you're someone who prays, we could really use the extra prayers right now. And if you're not religious, your good thoughts and best wishes would mean just as much to us. Truly, any support you send our way is deeply appreciated. I hope you understand, and I hope you'll stick with me through this slower, gentler version of Crafty Decoria and Craftmas. Thank you for your patience, for your kindness, and for being part of this little community. It means more than I can say. And before I go, I want to wish you and your families the happiest of Decembers. Whether you celebrate or not, let's remember that it's not what's under the tree or in our homes that matters, but the people around the tree and in the home that count the most. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and the happiest New Year we can all imagine. Thank you truly to each and every one of you for being here and for supporting me and for sticking with this channel through everything. It means the world.